welcome back to another vlog. This is Sagar Lama. What's up, कैसे हो, कैसे हो, and नमस्कार to all. हंसी देख रहे हो? ये चेहरे में जो खुशी है दिख रहा है आपको? मैं बहुत खुश हूँ because I have been waited for this day कि मेरे पास कब ड्रोन होगा. Finally, I'm having a drone. This is my first drone. I'm a motor blogger and I do travel blogging as well. Having a drone in your traveling kit is an added advantage because the places where you can't go, your drone will go and take the rare footage and cinematic videos which you can use in your vlog. When I go to mountain, when I go to hills, when I go to lake, so many times I feel if I have a drone, I could have taken so many other footage which I could use in my vlog. Guys, if you think this is a review video, it's not a review video. I'm only sharing you my happiness, my excitement with you guys that I am having a drone. I ordered this drone 2 days back and I received it today morning. The courier guy had called me and I picked it up from him. For pricing, so from where I bought this and how much it cost me, I'll tell you in the end of this video. Please stay tuned. So we will do only unboxing and I'll fly the drone and we'll see what kind of footage we'll get. So let's do unboxing now. So here is my drone. तो इसे unboxing करते हैं अभी. See what all we have in the box. Look at the size of the drone. कितना छोटा है. It's so compact and portable. I think ये almost मेरा फ़ोन के साइज का है. Yeah, width में फ़र्क है, but if you see the length, it is almost lesser than the phone size. It's so compact कि इसे मैं आराम से बैग में रख कर कहीं भी ले जा सकता हूँ. I think I can put this in my pocket also and I can take anywhere and then I can start flying. So this is controller. यहाँ पर छोटा छोटा बटन भी दिया गया है where you can put this button perfectly फिट हो गया. ये जो है इसे यहाँ पर स्टोर करके रखा जाता है. So we also got a box. There are so many things in fact inside. 1, 2, there are some cables. Propeller भी है यहाँ पर. So these are the spares one. This is cable. I'll take out and I'll show you all this. So screws है कुछ यहाँ पर. These are the spare screws, I guess. If the screws are lost, so we can use these screws. See? So there are 6 spare screws in the packet. 4 propeller, 2 or extra kind of joystick which we can use it for flight controlling. यही वाला है. 2 extra मिला है. And we have got some cables. This is one. There are 3 more cables. I don't know what are all these cables are. I have to check it. So there is another thing. This is a screwdriver. I was wondering where is the battery. So battery इसके अंदर ही है. So this is the battery which was inside the drone. And I got all these booklets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is this gimbal protector. You have to take it off before you take the flight. So look at this is the camera and this has gimbal. Oh, so delicate, yeah. Mavic Mini comes with 12 megapixel sensor and it supports 2.7K HD video. It has 3-axis motorized gimbal that provides superior camera stability and ensure clear and ultra smooth footage. So there is a port to insert micro SD card. This doesn't come with inbuilt storage. In India, if you have a drone, you have to get it registered if it is more than 250 grams. So the good thing about this drone is the weight of this drone is only 249 grams. So you don't have to register in the Digital Sky website. So to fly Mavic Mini, you need to download DJI Fly app, which you'll get it from Google app. Install in and start using it to fly. चलो अभी पंछी को आसमानी सैर कराते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या फुटेज हमें मिलता है. ठीक है, चलो.
Hours later.
अंदर जा.
It went so far, I was so scared. Oh, it's going like.
Now it is coming.
I'm landing now, okay?
Okay.
Kichu is sleeping.
Hi. You didn't land on me.
I got scared. So now I'm back to home after the flying test, and the experience, the first time experience with this drone is awesome. I really liking to fly this drone. My drone, Panchi. I hope you guys also have enjoyed the drone shots. At one point when I was flying drone, I was really scared because the drone went very high and I could not see the drone, and in my app also it was showing the signal is not connected or the signal was losing its control. I got really scared. It was so far and I couldn't see whether it was going right or left or coming back or going forward. So I was very scared, and then I realized that there's a button, it's home button. When you press that, it will come back to its point. So I did that luckily, and then it came back. So I was really scared कि दिन हुआ है अभी इसे लिए हुए, और I would have lost it today. So I have purchased this Mavic Mini box. This is a standard kit and I'll get only one battery. With one battery it can fly about 25 to 30 minutes. If you buy a fly combo kit, you'll get 3 batteries. So approximately 1.5 hours you can fly drone. At the start of the video I told I'm going to reveal from where and at what price I bought this. I bought this drone from Amazon. The price is only 28,000 rupees. If you buy it from Amazon, the actual price is 33,000. Because I got some offers, so I got it at 28,000. And if you buy this drone from offline or retailers or wholesaler, you'll get this at around 40 to 45,000. So I think I got it at a very cheap price. 28,000 is a good deal. It's a very good deal. Guys, this is my first experience with this drone, so I have learned certain things in drone. It's very complicated as well because there are a lot of features, there are a lot of drone modes. I'm going to learn everything and make a dedicated video very soon. So that's it from the video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and give me a comment if you wish to, so that I can improve upon my videos. So thanks for making me part of life. See you in my next vlog. Until then, live a beautiful life, ride safe and make memories.
Ah.